Hey guys, so I just filmed my first cleaning video where I cleaned my makeup table behind me, and I kind of did some destashing at the same time, so I figured why not show you what's in the basket. So I'm going to show you what I'm getting rid of before it all falls out. Alright, so I keep dropping stuff. Kind of wish I had a little table here, but I don't. So we're gonna make do. So the first thing I'm getting rid of is this Grumpy Girl Zombie Apocalypse body spray. I'm gonna repurpose this bottle into rubbing alcohol for spraying, and that's because you can use it in resin and other crafts, so I figured why not. That I'm only getting rid of because it's super old and it doesn't smell good anymore. I'm getting rid of this Elior fan brush because I don't really like fan brushes, and this one has seen, I don't know, it's just got these random stray hairs on the side. I just don't use these. Somebody else can use this. I'm getting rid of my Lenora Nudes Exposed, and I'm getting rid of this because I don't really wear a lot of nudes or anything like that, and I'm condensing my collection right now, trying to move. So this is what it looks like. I might depot a couple of these and keep. I don't know yet. Maybe, maybe not. There's a lot of eyeliner in here. This is the Avon Glimmer Sticks Liquid Glide in black. That's gonna go. Starlooks eyeliner in ultraviolet. I just have so many eyeliners, there's no way I'm ever going to get through all of them. This is Pacifica black eyeliner. I'm just going to pull out a few of these and then show them to you and then put them in there. This is Mr. Right Now from The Balm. It's like a brownie kind of olivey color. I don't use these colors. Jordana Fabuliner. This is just old. It doesn't work anymore, so going in the trash. Then I've got another Starlooks. This one is in Fancy. It's a sparkly green color. Makeup Forever Artist Liner in, looks like there's no color name. It's like a olivey color. Once again, I don't like these kinds of colors, so that's gonna go. Sorry for the animals, they're crazy. Glimmer Sticks from Avon in Flashy Copper. Rimmel London Night Jewel eyeshadow. I thought about depotting that, but I have similar colors, so. This Unique mascara. I've already, I've gotten a new one since this, so I'm gonna toss out I'm gonna send this to my aunt. This is a nail rejuvenator from Nail Medic. I got this from Ipsy when I won a giveaway from them. Sorry, I look really washed out right now. I have a bunch of those, so I'm getting rid of this War Paint Beauty liquid liner and T-Rex. I love this color, but this one looks a little funky in the tube, so it's going away. Fergie Pagan Angel. I have a ton of black lipsticks. I don't need all of them. And that one's really greasy. Another black lipstick, black from Fantasy Makers. This lipstick is from Mally. It's a Blooming Rose. It's one of those ones that has the multiple layers. I hope this camera's working well. I don't really use this camera. Getting rid of that. Kiss ink from Mark. My Avon days. This is a clear lip liner from Avon. I have like 5 of these, so I decided to get rid of the unopened one since I haven't even finished one. This is Drive-In from ColourPop. Actually, that's a fake ColourPop. NYX, or I'm sorry, not NYX, NYC lip gloss. It's this really nice berry color, but I know I've had this for like 10 years, so it's going in the trash. This one, Physicians Formula. One of my besties sent me this. It has a light in it. I just don't ever use it. It's one of those ones that changes to your perfect pink. I'm just not a pink person, so it's time to let that one go. I have Kate McNabb Naked Truth lipstick. It's a nice nude, but I don't use nudes very often, so I have a bunch. I don't need it. This is Catwalk Pink from Milani. Try to show you true color here. I don't think it's picking up. That one's gonna go. Scandalize Waterproof Kohl Eyeliner in Sparkling Black. I just have too many eyeliners. This is Paula Dorff Enhancer Baby Eyes. I guess it's to make your eyes look more open. I don't ever use that. Revlon Photo Ready Insta Fix. I just feel like this is not my shade. It's very like orange on me. So I'll be passing that one on. I've never even used it. This is NYX Whipped Formula and the color Pink Cloud. I got this in an Ipsy bag. Never used it. CoverGirl Outlast All Day. I do like this, but I just feel that it's not really my color. It's a bit too orangey for me. Plus, I know my cousin doesn't have a concealer, so I figured I would put it in there for her. I got OPI Ovo Juice. It's empty, so it's going in the trash. CoverGirl in Lime Alive. Oh, I love funky colors. True Union Jack from Rimmel. I love this one, but I've had it for a very long time and have not used it past the first like month I got it, so it's time to let it go. Alright, we're gonna grab some more of these sticks here. War Paint Beauty Wingtip Liner. I've got 2 of these here. I'm gonna get rid of those. I have one up there. One's unopened. So I'm gonna get rid of that. This is Mally Evercolor Starlight Waterproof Liner in Starshine. It Cosmetics Brow Powder. Scandalized Kohl Pencil in purple. Bella Pierre Gel Eyeliner. I just have, like I said, way too many eyeliner. I blame Ipsy on that one. Because they send me eyeliner every month. Got a Milani Pretty Pink Lip Liner. Don't use it. Scandalized Rimmel Waterproof Kohl Eyeliner in Nude. Another one I don't use. 3 Color Concept Specialist in Warm Red Lip Liner. Don't use them. This brush. CoverGirl Intensify Me. I actually really like this one. This has one of those weird where it's really thick one way and then it's thin if you turn it. That one dried up on me, so that's going in the trash. I'm getting rid of a lot of my fake makeup because I just have so much makeup as it is, so what's the point of having the fakes, you know? This is the fake Jeffree Star in Weirdo. It's more gray than it is that. This is Dose of Colors Purple Rain. Fake. Got 2 cement dupes. This Saint Bleached in, I believe it's supposed to be Pansy. But I've got the real Pansy. And a billion other purple lipsticks. So. Alright, so we've got Rimmel London Lip Lacquer. This is one of those show-off ones. It's in Nova. It's nice pink, like I said, though. It's not my kind of color. This one does not have a label. It's the nudie color. Got a black and purple dragon lip gloss. This one is Matte Naked from Milani. This Rimmel Stay Matte foundation. It's not my shade. It's just like the other one. It's not light enough. Mally Perfect Prep. I'm going to throw this one out because it says expiration date on the bottom was 2014. So that's going to go. This Sally Girl brush, it sucks. It's going in the trash. Got an e.l.f. creamy eyeliner in the turquoise. I tried fixing this with the stuff from Inglot, and it's all dried out and did not take well, so it's going in the trash. Ulta eyeshadow in Majesty. Got a cream blush from NYX that I only used like 3 or 4 times. That's gotta go. Fierce Effects Hard Candy Lip Gloss in Black Rose. I'm just gonna toss that one because I know nobody's gonna be interested in it. This is actually meant to go in my use up bag. So that's where it's gonna go. This is Makeup Revolution Make Me Tonight. It's a super dark purple. This is Keep Flying For You. Mia Maru, I don't know how to say it. Foundation primer. This is Dulce de Leche Roller Balm Lip Gloss. I'm gonna pass that on. It smells amazing, but I still haven't even used up one. This is Elegant Marble from NYX. I have plenty of things that is this color, and I don't use this color. So, time to go. Don't mind the cat randomly jumping around. This is Lipgasm Method to the Madness from Trust Fund Beauty. Meet Matte Hues liquid lipstick, just not my color. Chella Hello Beautiful Passionate Pink Lip Pencil, not even opened. This is NYX Glistening Emerald. This is a all glossed up from Hard Candy Lip Stain. I got it in a Christmas collection. This is going in the trash. I used it the other day and it was very lumpy and icky. This is the Kissable Liquid Lipstick from Koki Professionals. Just not my color, as you can tell. Got this bracelet. Came randomly in a box from Amazon. Benefit High Beam highlighter. This is a Clear Clinic Vanish Clear Spot Treatment. This does not work for me, so I'm getting rid of it. And this purple duo eyeshadow from Hard Candy. I'm gonna get rid of it. And that's all of it. So, huge basket of products that I'm getting rid of today. And I feel quite accomplished. I think this is doing very well. I think I did better at this than I did trying to go through my nail polish. So, thumbs up this video if you'd like to see more videos like this, and let me know what you've gotten rid of lately. Have you had to do this because of moves or anything like that? I'm just trying to limit what we're gonna have to carry with us. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in a couple days. Bye.